Hi everyone, salam to all Muslim. Today we will guide you how to create lithium 12V battery for bike. Let's start. First connect the cells in order, on in all positive, then next all in negative, then again last line all in positive. Now clip the top on and start soldering. Find a pure copper cable and connect it as in diagram. I'll provide the diagram in description with all use tools, cell, etc.
Okay, now we'll use the same circuit. Okay, you can see I'm gonna zoom it. Okay, it's not zooming. You can see we have negative and we have forward, 8 volt and 12 volt. Connected on this battery. One is negative, here forward, then here 9 volt, and then here 12 volt. So I'm gonna connect it and I'm gonna show you that. Check the voltage first. Then I need a multimeter. And I'll put it on 20 volt. I'm gonna use it here. So first, it's not fully charged, so voltage is a little bit drained. Very much drained. I use this point for second one. I use this point for the third one. And this one is for the last one. Okay, that's me the voltage. At the Raj Drama, we received a second parcel after repaying. So we have both now, and these are tightly connected. So now next step is to connect them in series this way and this on another way. This positive to this negative to this positive, and these points, and this BMS circuit later on. I'm gonna give you the full diagram, and after soldering these wires, I'm gonna show you.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's start measuring the voltage. If you take the negative point, here on the positive point, you will find 16 because it's not loud. And here on your this point, you have 5 volt. Two cells are working. Here, again 10 volt. Two cells are working, and here. This one is positive, this one is negative. 5, 10, 15.
And now once you have sold, then find a 12V and min 2 amp and max 5 amp adapter and connect that to the battery to charge. After that, connect it to your bike and enjoy. Join us for more. Subscribe, like, share and comments. God bless us all and protect our brothers, our sisters in Palestine, Gaza, Kashmir, Burma, etc. Amin.